In cognitive testing, attention is one of the foundational domains used to detect early signs of cognitive impairment. This lesson focuses on the attention section of the MoCA exam, which includes digit span recall, letter vigilance, and serial subtraction tasks. These subtests assess working memory, sustained focus, and mental arithmetic. Each component carries specific scoring rules that can impact the test taker's total score. This lesson is crucial for understanding how to administer, score, and interpret performance in the attention tasks of the MoCA exam. Digit span forward and backward. What is it? The digit span task assesses short-term and working memory. The examiner reads sequences of numbers, and the test taker repeats them in either forward or reverse order. Forward span assesses immediate attention and short-term memory. Backward span assesses working memory and executive functioning. How it's administered? The examiner reads 5 digits at a rate of 1 per second. The test taker repeats them in the same order, forward. Then a new set of 3 digits is given, and the test taker must repeat them in reverse order, backward. Scoring. 1 point is awarded if the test taker repeats all 5 digits forward correctly. 1 point is awarded if they repeat 3 digits backward correctly. Maximum 2 points total. Tips for evaluation. If the person hesitates or self-corrects, allow them to continue, but score only correct sequences. Score 0 if digits are missed, added, or reordered incorrectly. Letter vigilance. Tap letter A. What is it? This part assesses sustained attention and selective focus. The test taker listens for a target letter, usually the letter A, and taps the table every time they hear it. How it's administered. The examiner reads a randomized string of letters, about 20 to 30, 1 per second. The test taker is instructed to tap their hand each time they hear the letter A. Scoring. 1 point is awarded if the individual correctly taps for each A with no more than 1 error, either a missed tap or a false tap. Maximum 1 point. Most testable detail. Commonly, 2 A's are included in the sequence. Missing more than 1 or tapping incorrectly more than once results in 0 points. Serial 7's subtraction. What is it? This task assesses concentration, working memory, and mental math skills. The individual must subtract 7 from 100, then continue subtracting 7 from each new result. How it's administered? Ask, starting from 100, subtract 7, and keep subtracting 7 until I tell you to stop. They must verbally provide 5 successive answers: 93, 86, 79, 72, 65. Scoring. 3 points are awarded for a perfect performance. That means no mistakes, all 5 items correct. 2 points are given if there is just 1 mistake. 1 point is scored for 2 to 3 mistakes. And finally, 0 points are assigned if there are 4 or more mistakes or if the individual refuses to attempt the task. If the test taker gives an incorrect answer, but continues correctly from that new number, they are not penalized for the follow-up numbers. Key testing insight. This is one of the most challenging items, especially for those with early cognitive decline or low numeracy skills. An alternate task, example months backward, may be used in some cases but is not part of the standard MoCA. Total scoring summary for attention subtask. Maximum points. First, the digit span task, both forward and backward, assesses short-term memory and attention span. This task is worth 2 points. Next is letter vigilance, a sustained attention task where the participant taps when they hear a specific letter. This is scored out of 1 point. And finally, Serial 7's subtraction, a mental math challenge that requires subtracting 7 repeatedly from 100. This task carries the highest weight in this section, with 3 points. These 6 points represent a significant portion of the MoCA's 30-point total and are heavily weighted for determining impairment in attention and working memory. Lesson recap. The attention section of the MoCA includes 3 subtests: digit span, forward and backward, letter vigilance, tap for A, and Serial 7's subtraction task. These tasks evaluate short-term memory, sustained attention, and mental flexibility, and they contribute up to 6 points on the MoCA. Each subtest has strict scoring criteria, making them highly testable components of the exam. Proper administration and awareness of scoring rules are essential for accurate evaluation.